Sai Ram, I offer my loving pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba and Sadguru Shri Siddheshwar Baba. Going further with the series of signal videos, in today's video you will get to know about the Gurudev's 6th and 7th signal. Guruji had written about all his signals in detail in his book Psychoanalysis and Meditation Volume 1. So to know about his signals in detail, you can read this book. And for watching signal videos number wise, you can click this signal videos playlist link which is available in description box also. After 1 week of experiencing the 5th signal, Guruji witnessed his 6th signal, which was not only correlated to 5th signal but was very much similar in feeling also. As in 5th signal, Guruji felt that his consciousness and body are two independent entities. Similarly, in 6th signal, he felt his consciousness and his thoughts are separate and unrelated. His consciousness had become the spectator of his each idea and thought. He was a perfect witness to each thought and idea which passed in his mind. Gurudev have stated it many times that the consciousness is surrounded by numerous ideas, desires and thoughts. Quite often the two are so well interwoven with each other that we cannot see them separately. But during this experience, he immediately sees idea as an idea having no relation with his consciousness. The two appear separate and unrelated. That was a state when his consciousness had surpassed the mind and intellect also. The consciousness sees the whole thought process very sharply without getting swayed by it in any way. So this was the Gurudev's 6th signal. After another week of meditation, one day Guruji became clear about 4 things. They were body, thought, energy and consciousness. He became clear that thought is thought, energy is energy and body is body. Now the question for him was, who am I? I am neither body, nor thought, nor energy. I am certainly the consciousness. He started on a great feeling of I am with each breath. It was the 7th signal for him and it made him clear that his consciousness was marching towards its goal of real liberation from body, mind, thoughts and emotions. To know about other signal of Guruji, keep watching upcoming videos. Jai Sai Ram.